Welcome students to BSL Bite Size Learning. Today we are going to learn about the addition and subtraction in fractions, right? So let's say you have a fraction 1 by 3 and you want to add 1 by 5, right? So what you need to do in terms of a fraction, whether you're doing an addition or subtraction, is to make the denominator equal. So how do you make the denominator equal? You can take this denominator, multiply this numerator and denominator with this number, and then similarly you take this denominator, multiply this numerator and denominator by that number. Alright. So when you do that, in case of subtraction, numerator multiply by numerator and denominator multiplies by denominator. So this is essentially like this. All right. So this will be 5 by 15, and then this is 3 by 15. When you have the denominator equal, you can take that common. It becomes like this, and then you just add the numerators. So it is like 5 plus 3, and the answer is 8 by 15. So if you want to add a fraction, two fractions, you need to follow this method. There are other ways also. I will explain those in next lecture. Thank you.